One way you can learn to ease your online visibility is by sharing tips with your audience. So today I'm going to show you an example of a tip. If you are resistant to Facebook Live, LinkedIn Live, or any type of video that you record then post, or even a story every day, here's one tip I can give you. It's called the power of smiling. So I just re-listened to a course that I took earlier, and I forgot about the power of smiling. Not only it helps you boost your immunity, serotonin, dopamine, and it brings the good mood, right? So we're gonna do an exercise, and then I encourage you to do it each time you're about to go live. You do so let's do it together. Let's smile. Hold it. Keep going. I'll tell you when we're done smiling, okay? Okay, you're done.